Hey y'all, it's Jimmy Dean here in my mama's kitchen. It's Thanksgiving season and I'm here to help you round out your perfect table. Now everybody always does green beans. Green beans are really versatile. Everybody eats them, kids, middle, old. You can do them a bunch of different ways. You could do just regular green beans with red potatoes in them, which is how my grandmother Paul used to do them, so good. You could do a green bean casserole, which is what we've done at the Lady and Sons forever. My mom also loves a green bean casserole. But what we're gonna do for you today is a green bean salad. So I've taken a couple of pounds of green beans and I've blanched these off. So these go into hot water. You see they're crisp. And as soon as they blanch, which is about 3 minutes, I put them into an ice bath because I want these to look and feel like green beans, but nobody wants to eat raw green beans. So that's what we're starting with today. Really easy recipe for you. Just a few ingredients. We're gonna start with walnut oil. So we've got 3 tablespoons of roasted walnut oil, and we're also gonna add 1 tablespoon of sherry vinegar. And we're making a vinaigrette, and it wouldn't be the same without a heaping teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Right in here, we've got a teaspoon of kosher salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we're just gonna whisk all this together. This is something that you can put together at the last minute. As long as you blanch off your green beans, you'll see this really doesn't take any time at all. So we've got a homemade vinaigrette dressing. Look how awesome that is. We're just gonna toss our beans that they're really actually cold because we put them in an ice bath. I don't want too much of this water in here. Our green beans. Now to this, we're gonna add roasted walnuts and damn near cooked them. I walked away from the pan. So we've got roasted walnuts. How much of that do we have?
3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of a cup. We also have 1/3 cup of dry cranberries. And to this, real quick, I'm gonna add a little bit of shallot. It says 1 small shallot. This shallot isn't too small. So I'm gonna use half of a medium shallot. Let me get an old spoon of Rooney. We'll use this one, you see? It's almost like Mama's here. I'm gonna toss all this together. Now, if this doesn't look like Thanksgiving, grits ain't groceries. I'm gonna work my bowl, make sure everything gets coated with our vinaigrette and our salt and pepper, our cranberries, our shallots, our roasted walnuts. So good. And this is a lot easier to prepare than some of the other green bean recipes that you might be considering for this Thanksgiving. So if you pick up what I'm putting down, as my mama says, this would be a good addition for your table. Really a last minute thing. So we've got our platter here. Look how pretty this is gonna be. Make sure all my good stuff goes right on top. Beautiful, huh?
Yum.
Beautiful. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and taste this because, oh, Dijon mustard is so delicious. The last ingredient I'm not a fan of, and that's blue cheese. I can see how the Dijon and the blue cheese and the cranberries, all those flavors come together really well. I'm not a blue cheese guy, but just a little bit of blue cheese on top of here. I promise you, if you've never used any recipe that I've shown you, y'all start with this one. Could not be more simple, healthy, and delicious. I'm thankful for green bean salad and for y'all. We'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.